Good morning student. Today topic is kinds of sentence. Once look at the board. Kinds of sentence. Kinds of sentences. See dear students, kinds of sentence we may divide four types. In those, first one is assertive sentence. Assertive sentence. For example, we have four types of friends. First friend is a casual friend. Casual friend nature is, if you give snacks and biscuit, the friend is saying to another person, my friend is good. If you stop the snacks and biscuit, the friend is saying to another person, my friend is not good. Okay, the friend is depending on profit or loss. The friend is saying either positively or negatively. Like that, assertive sentence declares either yes or no. For example, umpire. Umpire declares either out or not out. In this way, we have to assess, we have to declare like that. Assertive sentence indicates either yes or no. Either yes or no. Okay, these are two types. If the sentence indicates positive or yes, sentence is called affirmative. Affirmative sentence is that which refers to positive meaning or yes. For example, I have a pen. Second one, negative sentence. I have no pen. What you observe here is, here no is here no is not here. Okay. I am giving more example. I am not writing. I am not reading. Not is there. Okay. And example 3. Nothing is there. Nothing refers to negative meaning. Example 4. Nobody is there. Nobody refers to negative meaning. Another example. I have never seen him. Never refers to negative word. And neither he nor she is here. Here, neither nor refers to negative meaning. My dear students, don't depending on either not or no. You want to see nothing, nobody, never, neither, nor. These are also example for negative sentences, negative words. Okay, and second one. We have to discuss second one. Second one is interrogative sentence. Interrogative means way of asking questions. Simply questions. Questions are two types. For example, Are you writing? Do you listen the class? Do you want to go from the class? Like that, start with helping verb. Start with helping verb. Are you going to school? Your neighbor may ask the question. Already you are ready to go school with uniform, all are ready. Are you going to school? Yes, I am going to school. So today is Sunday. Why do you go to school? Yes, I am going to school for extra classes. In this way, neighbor is confirming to us whether he is going to or not. Okay, so we may divide. First one is yes or no type question. Yes or no type. Otherwise, you may remember that start with the helping verb. Start with the helping verb questions. Okay. Example. Are you going to movie? Are you going to school? Like that. Okay. Will you meet me? Will you meet me? Okay. One see, first word here is helping verb. Second underline word also helping verb. So that beginning with helping verb. Otherwise yes or no type questions. And second one, beginning with question word. Begin with the question word. Okay, those are WH words. Okay, and how. And how. For example, who are you? We don't know particularly the person, then we are asking the question, who are you? Okay. When will you go to school? Go to school. We are asking a time or day. So here WH letters are common, so the WH word. Not only these. Who, when, which, whom, where, okay, like that. And final one, what is that? How? How are you? How old are you? Like that. These are the question words. This is second type in the interrogative model. Interrogative models are two types, like close friend. Close friend always asking question to us. Okay, which subject are you reading? Are you going to tomorrow? If you go to tomorrow, your friend also following you. Everything observation on us. Okay, assertive sentence like casual friend. Interrogative like close friend. Third one, imperative sentence like best friend. Once see, all of you look at the board. Imperative sentence. Imperative sentence, simply you have to understand, remind that one code is there. 4 star. C for command. C for command. O for order. R for request. R for request. S for suggestion. S for suggestion. A for advice. A for advice. W is for okay, warning or wish. Warning or wish. Imperative sentence is that which refers to command, order, request, suggestion, advice, wishing or warning. Wishing or warning. Understand? This is equal to best friend. When we are in troubles, Our friend sometimes suggests us, sometimes warn us. Okay, sometimes is doing suggestion like that. It is equal to best friend qualities. Understand, students? And we may divide the impaired sentence like below. Once look at the board. First one, beginning with V1. Beginning with V1. For example, stand up. Stand up, it is ordered. Okay. And go from here or go there. What do you observe here is beginning with V1. Beginning with V1. Second one begins with B. Be ready. Be careful. Be helpful, like that. And see, the begin word is, in the sentence begin word is be. Third one is begins with let. Let. Let us go to temple. Let us go to temple. Let me see. Let me write. Once see here, beginning with let. Let us go to temple suggestion. Last one, requesting word. What is that? Requesting word. For example, please help the poor, or please help me. Please help me. Please refers to here. Okay, requesting word. So it is impaired sentence. Impaired sentence indicate as command, order, request, suggestion, advice, or warning. Examples are first one beginning with V1, stand off, go there, like that. Begins with be ready, be careful, be helpful. Begins with let me see, let us go to temple. Okay, requesting word, your example, please help me. And final one is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence is equal to innocent friend. Innocent friend. Okay, whenever we get emotions or sorrowful, happy or unhappy thing, the friend shows us same feeling. Okay, so we may divide two types of example. Once look at the board. O look at the moon. O look at the moon. Okay, example 2. Alice is dead. Is dead. Example 3. What a genius is. What a genius is. My dear students, once observe here again. Alice exclamatory words. After the exclamatory words, we have to keep exclamatory mark or symbol. Next one, after the sentence, we have to keep full stop. First one and second one. And one more thing is, after the exclamatory symbol, we have to keep exclamatory capital letter. Here also capital letter. And third one is different from first and second. What a genius is, after the sentence, finally we have to keep exclamatory mark or symbol. In this way, while you are reading any paragraph or any lesson, these kinds of sentence, okay, will meet us. Okay, once lesson. Kinds of sentence are 4 types, like casual friend, close friend, best friend, innocent friend. Casual friend name is assertive. Close friend name is interrogative. Best friend name is imperative sentence. Last one, innocent friend name is exclamatory. Assertive sentence indicate either yes or no. These are two types. Affirmative, I am a teacher, I am a doctor. Negative sentence is I am not a teacher, I am not a doctor. Interrogative sentence means questioning. These are yes or no type questions or beginning with helping verb. Are you going to school? Are you eating meal? Second type is directly question words. WH words and who. WH word and how. Sorry. What is your name? Who are you? How are you? Like that. Imperative sentence means imperative sentence is that which indicates command, order, request, suggestion, advice, wishing or warning. Okay, you may divide beginning with E1, stand up, sit down, give your book, order. Beginning with let me see, let us go to picnic, let us go to temple. And begins with be ready, be careful, be good. And final one beginning with requesting word. Please help me, please help the poor, please bring a glass of water. Last one is exclamatory sentence like innocent friend. We may write two types of example. After the exclamatory words, we may write sentence. Oh, look at the moon. Final one is what a genius is, what a beautiful garden it is. After the sentence, we have to keep exclamatory mark. And one more thing is assertive sentence beginning with capital letter ends with full stop. Either affirmative or negative. Interrogative sentence beginning with capital letter ends with question mark. Imperative sentence beginning with capital letter ends with full stop. Exclamatory sentence after the exclamatory words we have to keep exclamatory mark. After the sentence we have to keep full stop. And what a genius is in the sentence beginning with capital letter ends with exclamatory mark. Okay, for a interrogative question mark is compulsory. For exclamatory sentence exclamatory mark is compulsory. Assertive and imperative we have to keep full stop. My dear students, I think you have understood. Thank you one and all.